What up? Christy Aphrodite here, and I just wanted to share with you a very simple, non-toxic recipe that anyone can make. And I used to make this when I was homeless and living in a tent in a van, so you need no special skills. And it's more than just a laundry detergent, so I'm just gonna show you how easy it is. I have a container and a grater and very common, easy to obtain ingredients. So we have baking soda, borax, and washing soda that's leaking. So there we go. So I know a lot of people are kind of convinced that they don't have the skills to take care of themselves or to make things that we've become accustomed to purchasing that are inundated with chemicals. Already talked about that, don't need to do that again. So here's a solution. And by the way, all of these ingredients are great for multiple things. So, and this is just super simple, but literally just pour them in the container, which, sorry, you can't see it. I'll hold it up here. Literally just like that. And if you get any blocks or anything like this, you can either beat it or just use your grater, right? And it'll just like disintegrate. This right here, so after we mix those, I have a big spoon, but I also like to use my hands. So use whichever you prefer. And a bucket like this lasts me, all right, so I've been here over a year, and this is this is the third time I've made it. So 6 months, and I do a ton of laundry and stuff. So, I mean, I'll just go through it with my hands, and the little ones just break it up. So once you get those together, where did it go? The other super simple, cheap, easy to find under my skirt. Fells naphtha. I think it's like $1 or $1.50 or something like that. And then just take this and grate. So after I get this done, I add essential oils, and basically depends on what I'm in the mood for. So already this smells nice, clean, and fresh, but I also like the powerful antibacterial and antiparasitic and activities of the essential oils. I have a lot of pets, right? Cats, I guess I have a house chicken now, dogs in and out, things like that. So I use essential oils and things like this to keep my house completely bug-free. So the essential oils I've chosen this time are lavender, eucalyptus, and grapefruit. So when it comes to making, this is what it looks like right now. Oops, all right, so yeah. Yeah, when it comes to making like cleaning products and things like that, any old, for the most part, I guess, any grocery store brand essential oil will work, but I probably would not use the same essential oil for something if I was going to use it internally or wound healing or something like that, right? People are convinced that they can't make things for themselves because you need some special recipe, like literally a box of this, a box of this, a box of that, one of these, and then throw your essential oils in. How many essential oils do you need? Well, how many do you like? Does it smell the way you want it to smell, right? After all, you want to make it the way you like it, right? So, and if you hate lavender and eucalyptus and grapefruit, don't use these. I think they're a really nice combination. I have a septic system, So I am careful about what I use in this house for everything, which is why I make all my own cleaning products. But yeah, don't let society convince you that you can't do this for yourself. Like, look, here, we're literally done. I've been here 5 minutes maybe. Done, done, done. That's at least 6 months of laundry. And okay, so I'm a Virgo. I wash a lot of bedding, a lot of times, especially now that I'm sleeping with a chicken. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, literally, those ingredients, some essential oils, whatever you choose, a grater, voila. You can also use this as like a, what's that called? Like a soft scrub or something, toilet bowl cleaner, floor cleaner, like anything like that, as well as like tick or flea or whatever repellent, right? Because borax and this stuff kills bugs. So these are like natural byproducts that you can replace multiple things that you're accustomed to buying, right? So you can use it to scrub pans, you can use it to scrub greasy floors, you can use it to sprinkle on your carpets, and like a carpet fresh, and then vacuum it up later and vacuum whatever type of bugs or pest you might have in your house. And while I'm at it, as far as bugs, like eucalyptus, lavender are just repellents, but if you like have a bug problem and you want to kill them, like every single bug that could enter your home, then just mix cedar and clove, and that's it. Sprinkle. You could also turn that into a spray, and I would add alcohol, but I'll just do a whole separate video on bug stuff. But yeah, this is literally it. You have your own homemade soap, own homemade soft scrub, and over 6 months, and it smells divine. And I know that it's not messing up the property or the water supply or anything like that. So I hope you enjoyed this quick, simple recipe, and I'll be sharing more with you here. So stay tuned and check back, and we'll see you next time. Bye.